Every year, millions of discarded mobile phones begin a remarkable journey toward recovering valuable precious metals.
Each device is cleaned, inspected, and made safe before entering the recycling process. Advanced automation separates materials, while sophisticated refining systems recover valuable gold from electronic components. Recovered precious metals return to global manufacturing, giving old mobile phones a valuable new life. Advanced AI systems and skilled technicians carefully separate every valuable component. Removing batteries safely is a critical step before mechanical processing begins.
Every reusable component is carefully separated for maximum material recovery.
Powerful shredders transform electronic waste into recyclable raw material. Advanced separation technology isolates valuable materials with remarkable precision. Sophisticated refining technology extracts valuable gold from electronic waste.
Every recovered gold bar undergoes rigorous quality inspection before shipment.
From discarded mobile phones to valuable resources, modern recycling gives electronic waste a sustainable new future.